Accoje, Vital and Jeju, Time Repair Cream, 50 ml. Product Overview. Description. Silky skin can be experienced from the first application of this rich, nourishing, moisturizing cream. Other ingredients: water, butylene glycol, glycerin, hydrogenated poly, C614 olefin, propanediol, echinacea purpurea extract, niacinamide, 1,2-hexanediol, betaine, cetearyl olivate, sorbitan olivate, ammonium acryloyldimethyltaurate, VP copolymer, arginine, xanthan gum, carbomer, macadamia ternifolia seed oil, argania spinosa kernel, tocopheryl acetate, helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, argania spinosa kernel, tocopheryl acetate, helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, propolis extract, centella asiatica extract, allobarbadensis leaf extract, Eclonia cava extract, purpurea extract, Sephora angustifolia root extract, Citrus genose fruit extract, Eucalyptus globulus leaf extract, Citrus paradisea, grapefruit, fruit extract, Eugenia carophilus, clove, flower extract, adenosine, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, lavandula angustifolia, lime, oil, Eucalyptus globulus leaf oil, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf oil, Juniperus mexicana oil, Chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower oil, ethylxylglycerin, Pelargonium graveolens flower oil. Citral, limonene, linalool. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.